worker, or like you do lots of stuff to the front of your body, a lot of time your shoulders can kind of come forward and you can get a lot of pain through there. So depending on who you ask, they'll use different terms, but they'll say like, you know, your rhomboids aren't strong enough, or you know, they're not firing correctly. It doesn't so much matter. It's more about like if you can get some movement through there, and that movement helps reduce pain, helps improve your posture, then we'll say it's right for you. So the idea is, it's pretty simple, is essentially you want to imagine that you're bringing your shoulder blades back together so they're trying to touch, and then hold. Now, what you're naturally going to want to do, if you've got tight neck and shoulders, you'll naturally kind of want to do this, because those muscles in the back, they just get a little bit lazy. So by imagining you putting your elbows in your pockets, it forces those to fire, and then by holding for 30 to 90 seconds and then repeating, you should start to feel warmer through that area, have them start to fire. And then if you're getting a little bit more advanced, then when you're doing, you know, some people give you some banded work, or you lift a weight, you're still imagining that you're bringing that back and then making sure you're activating down, so you feel that kind of going through there.